Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my November 2022 BOXYCHARM Base Box Subscription Unboxing. So this is my monthly, base level, lowest tier, least expensive BOXYCHARM box that you can subscribe to. And here on my channel, I unbox all of the BOXYCHARM and Ipsy Glam bags. I just love subscription boxes. And this is not sent to me for free in PR. I pay for all of my Ipsy and all of my BOXYCHARM. And I feel like I'm so harsh with my reviews too. I'll probably never be able to get these in PR, but that's okay. I just really like to share my honest opinion on my unboxings. And also, I should let you know that I'm not going to be swatching and trying out the makeup products in this video because I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's where I'll be doing the full review tutorial videos on all of the makeup that I get in my beauty subscriptions. So now without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in my box this month. So I did already get my BOXYCHARM premium box for the month of November. So that is up here on my YouTube channel, but I was not thrilled with that box. I also already got my Ipsy Glam bag, and that was okay, but also not amazing. I'm still waiting on my Ipsy Glam bag X to get here, but I'm really hoping that this BOXYCHARM base box and the Ipsy Glam bag X will make this month's beauty subscriptions much better because so far I'm not off to a great start. So let's find out. First, I've got some product information here, which is great. I like to add up my total retail value of BOXYCHARM with these all full-size products. Ooh, first I'm going to pick up this pretty box here. Looks like this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with, and I love getting to try out new brands through my beauty subscriptions. And I think this brand is called Luna Magic. Mango Cherry, ooh, hydrating lip balm. I love lip balms. Ooh, these are so cute. I already love the aesthetic of this brand. Ooh, and it's got a maybe Spanish origin or something. I don't know. It says, say adios to dry lips. Yeah, so there's some Spanish in here, which I also love. Ooh, this is going to be so fun to try out. What a great first product for me to pull out. Yeah, Luna Magic Beauty. Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. That sounds awesome. Okay, next, oh my gosh, this is funny. The brand Biro. I got a Biro serum in my Ipsy Glam bag this month, and it's a nice, fancy skincare brand. So 2 Biro products in 1 month. This is the full-size Fig Renewal Oil. Interesting. Okay, well, I prefer to get makeup in my beauty subscriptions. A serum is not something I'm too excited to get, but I like the brand Biro. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. Wait, is this a serum? It's an oil. It looks like a very thin oil in here, but oh my gosh, this is one of the most beautifully packaged skincare products I've ever seen. The Biro Fig Renewal Oil. And it retails for $72. Wow. Next, oh, I recognize this brand right away. Real Her. Oh, metallic eyeliner duo. Okay. Well, I have gotten so sick of getting just a black eyeliner in my beauty subscriptions, but metallic has me a little bit more excited. Ooh, we've got a brown and a blue. I mean, I love metallic makeup. Real Her makes some nice products, but I'm wow, are there any Real Her products left that I haven't tried yet? I just feel like I've gotten so many from this brand. It's a nice brand though, and I think this could be fun. Holiday season, some metallic eyeliner, a great way to kind of spice up, change up your look a little bit in such a quick, easy way to do it. So I'm excited to try these out. The Real Her Metallic Eyeliner Duo retails for $30. Next, ooh, this is a brand I get a lot in my beauty subscriptions as well, and I'm not mad about it. It's Ciate London, and this is Velvet Lip Liner. Ooh, in the shade Cocoa. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, this looks pretty. I was worried it was going to be a brown, and browns just do not look good on me. But this pretty mauve-y purple looks beautiful. And I love lip liners, especially if it's going to be a nice long-lasting one. I love trying out lip liners for some reason. I just really love a lip liner. It's one of the like newer additions to my go-to makeup look is to line my lips, and it just makes such a difference. I'm not doing that today. Here I am talking about how much I love a lip liner, but right now I am not wearing any, but I should be. And then, ooh, the last product in here is another brand that I get a lot, which is Ofra. Also, I'm not mad about getting Ofra, but this is the Midi palette Face It. Oh, I forgot to let you know some retail values here. So the Ciate London Velvet Lip Liner retails for $18. And then let's see what this Ofra face palette looks like. I have a palette like this that is my travel face palette, and ooh, this is different than what I have. So maybe this is like 2 bronzers? I guess I'm gonna find out, and a beautiful highlighter. I am obsessed with the Ofra highlight formula, so this looks really fun to try out. I like that this is a little bit different, having the 2 contour or bronzer rather than all blushes or all highlighters or blush, bronzer, highlight. Like, this is a little bit of a different take, and I really love trying out different Ofra palettes. So yay, this actually is a good box. I do feel like it was really well curated to me. I'm going to do a quick recap and I'll let you know the total retail value. And I feel like this is not a super high retail value box for BOXYCHARM. However, I do have the one really expensive Biro Face Renewal Oil, which is the only product in here that I'm not super excited to get and try out because I'm just not really wanting to get serums and skincare, and that's something I've given a lot of my feedback on, like in the quizzes to BOXYCHARM, but I feel like they had to throw this in probably to get my retail value up higher. So it's such a pretty product. I'll try it out eventually, but I'm not as excited to get it. However, I'm so excited to get the rest of this makeup. So I got the Luna Magic Lip Balm Duo. Ooh, a couple duos in here because I also got the Real Her Metallic Eyeliner Duo, and then the Ciate London Velvet Lip Liner, and the Ofra Midi Face It palette. So all of that brings me to a total retail value of $171. So that's still great value. And I'm just really happy that this is mostly makeup and then one kind of exciting skincare product. So if you've tried any of these products, let me know in the comments down below what you think of them. Also, I'd love to hear what you get in your BOXYCHARM box. And so thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.